It's my first time doing the video in a picture profile mode. I'm in a picture profile 7. I'm trying to check the S-Log2 on this ZV-E10, how it's going to look. Alright guys, before I continue with the video, I just wanted to show you how the ungraded footage look. This is S-Log2 in an S gamut. So as you can see the video, I've already tried to color grade it, and as you can see the colors and stuff. So yeah guys, I'm just testing this this picture profile and see how it's going to look. I'm not professional in these color grading processes and stuff, so it's just me and trying to see how this video is going to look in a picture profile mode. Yeah guys, it's a great day, it's better, the weather is sunny. Yeah, so today I just came off from work because there was a challenge of electricity. There was no electricity at work, so I came back. So I'll go there around 2 o'clock. So guys, I just wanted to show you this before the video is ending. I just wanted to show the quick edits that I made. So I'll just go throughout these notes. As you can see, I have 5 notes, but number 4 is not having anything right now. I don't know why I put it there, but yeah, I'll explain my notes a little bit. So as you can see, let me go here and close these clips and try to zoom a little bit. Yeah, so as you can see, I have 5 notes, so I'll just go through them quickly. Number 1 is there, so I was not playing with number 1 because it was already there. When you open the color page, and then you will always get the number 1 note. So I left the number 1 there without touching it. So I went to number 2. I created a new note, just right click and add note, serial note, and I added number 2. So number 2, I was trying to change the color space. So I went to the effects tab. Then since I was taking this video in an S-Log2, I was trying to change the color space here. As you can see, input color space S gamut, and then input gamma S-Log2. Then that was done with number 2. Let's close the effects, and I came to number 3. So number 3, I was trying to play around with my exposure. So I came here to the log wheel. So log wheels, I played around with the okay, here color wheel. I played around with the lift, as you can see here, and I played around with the gain as well to just correct my exposure, so that it is not overexposed or underexposed. So I like my footage to be a little bit underexposed. As you can see here, my gain is around 768 and my lift is around 256. Okay, let's go to node number 4. Node number 4 doesn't have anything right now. I think I wanted to do something there, but unfortunately I didn't do anything. I'm not professional in color grading, so I was just starting. From number 5, I wanted to get rid of those harsh greens that is behind me. As you can see, there's a trees there, so I played around with the curves, hue versus hue. I just lowered a little bit of those green, and also I went to the hue versus saturation, and then also played around with the saturation. As you can see, I turned down a little bit. If you want to get some clarity in anything that I've said, please comment below. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe and turn on those notifications, and also like the video. Thank you guys. See you on the next one.